What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Triplezon. Today we are taking a look at the best vegetable chopper that can save you time and effort in the kitchen every single day. If you want faster and cleaner food prep, this is something you will love. Let's get started. Let's start with a quick overview. The Full-Star Vegetable Chopper is designed to make cutting and preparing vegetables quick, easy, and precise. Instead of spending time with a knife and cutting board, this tool helps you chop, slice, and dice ingredients in just seconds. One of the biggest highlights of the Full-Star Vegetable Chopper is its sharp 420 stainless steel blades. These blades are rust-resistant and stay sharp for a long time, which means you get clean and even cuts every time you use it. This is especially helpful when you are working with harder vegetables like carrots or potatoes. The chopper is also designed with comfort and safety in mind. It features a soft grip handle that gives you better control while pressing down. This reduces strain on your hands and makes chopping feel smoother and more natural. At the same time, the non-slip rubber base keeps the unit steady on the counter, even if the surface is slightly wet. Another very useful feature is the built-in catch tray. As you chop your vegetables, they fall directly into the tray instead of spreading across the counter. This keeps your kitchen cleaner and also makes it easier to transfer the chopped ingredients straight into a pan or bowl. Cleaning is often a concern with kitchen tools, but the Full-Star Vegetable Chopper makes this part simple as well. It is fully dishwasher safe, so after you are done cooking, you can place it on the top rack and let the dishwasher handle the rest. This saves time and avoids the hassle of scrubbing by hand. Now let's talk about the design. The Full-Star Vegetable Chopper has a compact and practical shape that fits easily in most kitchen cabinets. It is not bulky, so you can store it without taking up too much space. The materials feel sturdy and durable, which gives confidence that it will last through regular use. In real life, this tool can make a huge difference in your daily routine. Whether you're preparing a quick salad, chopping onions for curry, or slicing vegetables for a stir-fry, the Full-Star Vegetable Chopper speeds up the process and keeps your cuts consistent. This product is perfect for busy families, home cooks, beginners, and even experienced chefs who want to save time during meal preparation without sacrificing quality. Here is something you will not want to miss. Check the price link in the description to see the latest deals. And do not forget to like and subscribe to Triplezon for more useful kitchen gadgets and everyday products. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.